Tired of juggling multiple platforms for your business finances? One for invoicing, another for accounting, and yet another just to make payments? Frustrating, right? Well, today we're diving deep into Xero, a popular cloud-based accounting software, to answer the burning question. Can Xero actually make payments? And if so, how does it all work? Now, we all know that smooth and efficient payment processing is the lifeblood of any successful business. Delays, errors, and clunky systems can seriously impact cash flow and even damage customer relationships. So, if Xero can streamline this crucial aspect of your business, it could be a game changer. Let's cut to the chase. Yes, Xero does indeed offer payment processing capabilities, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Xero partners with a network of third-party payment gateways to provide you with flexible options. This means you can choose the gateway that best suits your specific business needs and industry, exploring payment options. So, what kind of payments can you actually make through Xero? Online payments. Xero integrates seamlessly with online payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and GoCardless. This allows your customers to easily pay invoices directly from their online bank accounts, credit cards, or debit cards. Bank transfers. For businesses that prefer traditional bank transfers, Xero can facilitate these as well. You can easily record and reconcile bank transfers within the Xero platform. Automated payments. Xero supports automated payments like direct debits and recurring payments. This can be a huge time saver for businesses with subscription models or regular billing cycles. International payments. While not all gateways support every currency, Xero can facilitate international payments through its integrations with global providers. Benefits of Xero payments. Now, why should you even consider making payments through Xero? Here's the lowdown on the benefits. Streamlined workflow. By managing both invoicing and payments within a single platform, you can significantly reduce manual data entry and minimize the risk of errors. This translates to a more efficient and streamlined workflow for your finance team. Improved cash flow. Faster payments mean improved cash flow. With online payment options, you can get paid quicker, which can significantly impact your business's financial health. Enhanced customer experience. Offering convenient and secure online payment options can significantly enhance the customer experience. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Better financial visibility. Xero provides real-time insights into your payment activity. You can easily track outstanding invoices, reconcile payments, and gain a clear picture of your cash flow in real time. Increased security. Xero partners with reputable payment gateways that employ robust security measures to protect your sensitive financial data. Addressing potential drawbacks. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Transaction fees. Payment gateways typically charge transaction fees for each payment processed. These fees can vary depending on the gateway and the payment method. Gateway limitations. The features and functionalities of each payment gateway can vary. It's crucial to choose a gateway that aligns with your specific business needs and payment preferences. Integration complexity. While Xero strives for seamless integration, some businesses may encounter minor technical challenges during the setup process. Tips for choosing the right payment gateway. Choosing the right payment gateway for your Xero integration is crucial. Here are a few tips to help you make an informed decision. Assess your business needs. Consider the types of payments you typically receive, the currencies you need to support, and the level of security required. Compare fees and features. Carefully compare the transaction fees, supported payment methods, and available features of different gateways. Read customer reviews. See what other Xero users have to say about their experiences with different payment gateways. Consider customer preferences. Think about the payment methods your customers prefer and choose a gateway that supports those options. Demonstrating a simple payment scenario. Let's quickly walk through a simple payment scenario to illustrate how Xero payments work. Create an invoice. You create an invoice in Xero for a client. Add payment options. You include online payment options on the invoice, such as credit card or bank transfer. Send the invoice. You send the invoice to your client via email. Client makes payment. The client receives the invoice and makes the payment online using their preferred method. Payment is automatically recorded. Xero automatically records the payment in your accounts, reconciling the invoice and updating your cash flow. So, there you have it. Xero offers powerful payment processing capabilities that can significantly streamline your business finances. By integrating with a suitable payment gateway, you can enjoy faster payments, improved cash flow, and a more efficient workflow. Ready to explore Xero payments for your business? I encourage you to visit the Xero website or contact a certified Xero advisor to learn more about the available options and find the best solution for your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.